What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make $100 per day from YouTube without doing the work. Now, if you are like me and like I was, you know that you have to create the videos to put on YouTube, right? Well, that's not entirely true. What you need to do is have videos to put on YouTube. You don't have to create them. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean in just a second. So if you're ready, let's go. So before we jump into the video, I first just want to ask, if you are wondering how to make more money, if YouTube is your platform of choice, make sure you hit that thumbs up button so that I know create more videos about YouTube, about making money from YouTube, right? So again, hit that thumbs up video and let's go. So with YouTube, how can you make $100 per day without doing the work, without creating the videos? It's actually pretty simple. On YouTube, okay, I'm going to show you something. Practical wisdom. He creates videos like this all the time. Okay, you can see it right here. He has 268,000 subscribers. A video he did 5 days ago has 63,000 views, called 5 Habits of Keeping You Poor. This is called an explainer video or a whiteboard style video. Here's what I'm talking about, and here's what you need to do. You can go over to Fiverr. You can go to fiverr.com, type in explainer video or whiteboard video, and you're going to see a bunch of people have their services down here creating these different explainer or whiteboard style videos. Now, with that said, these are going to cost you about $30 to $50 for a video that's going to be about a minute long. Okay, so if you want to make money on YouTube, if you want to make $100 per day, you can do it. It's going to take a little bit of money, or you can do the work yourself. If you want to do the work yourself, this is the tool that I like to use. It's called Video Scribe. Now it makes the whole whiteboard style video. Kind of see it down here. See the person creating it. Okay, and that's all you're doing. You're just making a video like this. It's just explaining a specific topic or a specific step. For example, okay, I'm going to show you this in a second, but for example, if you want to teach somebody how to become a tutor, you could do that. Right? How to teach or how to learn English, you could do that through a whiteboard style video. Now, here's how you make $100 per day. Okay? First off, you can either pay somebody to create the video for you, or you create the video yourself. I'd recommend to start, create the video myself, because with Video Scribe, you have a free trial that you can use. Okay? A free 1-week trial to use in any way you want to. And later on, if you want to do something outside of that, you can buy it for $14 a month. Okay? Pretty cool. Now, here's what we do. Let's say you want to teach somebody how to become a tutor. How to become a tutor. Okay? So what I wish I knew for becoming a math tutor. Now, it's not something you want to do. You want to teach somebody exactly a specific step. A very specific thing that you want them to learn. So becoming a tutor would be a great option, right? Tips for tutoring, how to become a tutor, I want to become a tutor, do's and don'ts of peer tutoring, okay, things like that. How to become a tutor in the United States. Okay, simple, right? That's all you gotta do. So that's the video you want to create, how to become a tutor. So here's one, you can pretty much kind of replicate what he talks about here. Tips for tutoring. You can that's a whiteboard style video right there. Okay, tips for tutoring, a 3-minute video. Okay, this person has 7,000 subscribers, and this video that was done 5 years ago has 174,000 views. Okay, now how do you make money? Because obviously you just putting up a whiteboard style video on YouTube isn't going to make you any money, right? Because you probably don't get any ad revenue from the video, which is true. You might not. So in that case, how do you do it? There's a website out there called clickbank.com. That's where I want you to go. Go create an account. Go sign up. Okay, absolutely free. Once you signed up, okay, come into the actual marketplace and come down here and just find something. Tutoring would probably be employment and jobs. Let's see if there's one. There's one. Tutor jobs online right there. You get paid $106 per sale to promote this thing right here. Okay? I'm not sure. You got a 7-day free trial, and then it probably costs money, obviously. I'm not sure how much it will cost. Get started, paid as let's see what it costs. Join now. You can start for 7-day trial for $1, and then after that, it's just $27, I believe. Okay, pretty cool, right? And so that's all you gotta do. You're just promoting that one thing. And the way you do it is you go there, click on promote, and then once you're here, like this, you get 75%. You put in your account name and hit generate hop links. You'll take that link, and that is what you will paste over inside your video description, which would be right here. Okay, that's all we're doing. So why am I showing you how to create, or why you should be creating whiteboard style videos? The number one reason why is because so many people do not do YouTube simply because they have to see their face or their voice. It's just crackly and it's annoying to them, or their face they have a face for radio. Okay, that's fine. But you don't have to put your face on video. You don't have to. All you're doing is you're talking over it if you want to create the videos yourself, or you hire somebody else to do the video, create the entire video, the background music, they do the voiceover, they do the entire slideshow, everything. Okay, from pretty much the idea to actually having a full video ready to go, ready to be published over on YouTube. So that's what I'm saying you need to do, because most people do not even get into YouTube because of that simple fact that they don't like the way they look, or they don't like the way that they sound. And that's fine, okay? Because there's other options out there for you. You do not have to see your face. You don't have to hear your voice, okay? The goal with this is to get videos onto YouTube and start to rank them for specific keywords. Now, I want to show you something. Okay, I'm put a link down below that you can actually go and get this tool, but it's called ToBuddy. You can see it right here. Okay, ToBuddy is a great tool. Okay, let me show you kind of why. I'm going to click on that button and I'm going to go to Keyword Explorer. Okay, now we want to talk about how to become a tutor. So inside ToBuddy, again, the link down in the description box below, it's for a free, it's just a free tool. You can get the paid version, which I recommend, but again, the free tool works just as well. Just doesn't have all these cool features. So how to become a tutor, I'm going to click Explore. Here's the reason why. I want to find something that has a very good score. Okay, so this is for weighted, would be under my account. So under my account, how to become a tutor, my account would be under good. Okay, but I want to get it up there a little bit higher. I want to get it into the green, okay, the light green. How to become a tutor online. Let's try that one. How to become a tutor online. That one is very good. That's the one almost in the dark green, which would be great. So that would be a great search term for me. So what I would do is I'd come over here, over to YouTube, okay, and I'd type in how to become a tutor online. This would be the keyword, this would be the search term that I'm going for. And now I take my whiteboard style video that either I paid for or I created myself, and I'd upload it to YouTube, and this would be my title, how to become a tutor online. Okay, simple. Now, like I said, it costs between $30 to $50 for a minute-long video. Let's look at this one. I'll create a whiteboard animation or explainer video. Okay, so it's probably, let's see, 75 words, 15-second runtime. Here's one of the things I would do. Okay, and this is something I do myself as well. So I do create some of the whiteboard style videos myself, and I do hire some out as well. So one of the things I did when I first went on and started doing whiteboard style videos is it took me so long to create them. It was taking me hours to create one single video that was maybe 10, 15 minutes long. So what I did was I hired somebody to do it. Now, they were trying to charge me $50 for a 30-second video. Okay, a 30-second clip. That was it. Now, I told them no. I wasn't going to do that. So now I'm paying $40 for a 2-minute long clip. But I'm not using the same person that quoted me the $50 for 30-second. Okay, I'm using somebody else, but I try to get people to kind of bid against each other. And okay, well, I'll do it for this, and I'll do it for that, and they keep coming down and down and down, and the benefits and the video is getting longer, the price is coming down, and so I was trying to stretch it. And what happened was now I pay pay $40, but in the end I get a better quality product and I get a longer video, which is essential for making more money on YouTube. And especially if I was trying to teach somebody how to ride a bike, and I was trying to show like a little clips of these on the whiteboard style video. If I was showing little clips and doing a voiceover, what's going to happen is a 30-second video clip is not going to teach somebody how to ride a bike or how to teach somebody to ride a bike. Okay, so because of that, I wanted to make the video longer, and so that's essentially what I had to do. And so if you go on to Fiverr, negotiate, talk to the people, and see, okay, you're offering this, but I see other people are offering this, or is there a way you can kind of work out a better deal? Instead, I'll pay you $50, but I want a 2.5 minute long video. Okay, I want more words, I want more background music, I want something very professionally done. Okay, so try to negotiate, because just because they say the price is this and you get this as a result doesn't mean you have to stick with it. Negotiate. Okay, that's what you can do. You can message the seller, you can see the person that's offering that gig, and just see how can you kind of work out a better deal, because you want not just one video, you want to create this and establish a relationship more long term, because you have big goals, big aspirations for your YouTube channel, right? So that's what I do, that's what I recommend. But if you are serious about making $100 per day from YouTube, you can without doing any of the work. You just have to pay somebody else to do the work for you. Now, if you don't have the money, or you don't really feel comfortable investing the money into that type of business, into that type of video model, that's understandable. That's completely fine. You can go and create the videos for yourself. Again, it does take a little bit of time to learn, but that's what YouTube's for. Okay, that's the beautiful part about YouTube. Everything that you need to know about VideoScribe and creating whiteboard style videos is on YouTube. They will teach you how to do it. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, let me know. You can always ask questions down in the comment section below. Like I said, I'll put a link, okay, a free link, so you can go and get ToBuddy if you want to. That'll be the first link down in the description box below, so you can go check that out as well. But if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.